Hello everyone, my name is Nuraini Sofia, and today I will present my reading journal based on this article about self-regulated learning and project-based learning. Before we begin, let me briefly explain the purpose of this reading journal. The purpose of this journal is to reflect on my reading process, understand the main ideas of the article, and evaluate the strategies I use to comprehend academic texts. Now, let's move to the first phase. That is pre-reading phase. In this phase, I use previewing and questioning strategies. I read the title and create guiding questions, such as what is self-regulated learning or SRL? Why is this research important? And how PBL affects SRL. Moving on to the next slide. That is while reading phase. So in this phase, I highlighted important parts of the text that answer my questions. For example, I found that self-regulated learning helps learners control their own learning process. Next slide. Post-reading phase. In this phase, I reviewed the article and checked my understanding by answering my initial questions, and then I summarize it to main ideas. Now, let's move to the difficulties I face or the problem. While reading, I encountered several problems such as complex vocabulary, long and academic sentences, and also a lack of background knowledge, especially when understanding research methods like latent profile analysis and epistemic network analysis. Moving on to what I learned. From this article, I learned about SRL phases, then benefits of project-based learning. One of them helps students become more independent and also improves their motivation. And how different students have different learning strategies. Then, the importance of this research. This research is important because it shows a gap in understanding how project-based learning influences self-regulated learning, which means further research is still needed. Okay, now we have reached the end, and thank you for your attention, and I will see you next time. Bye!